In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register your apartment on Airbnb 2026, step by step. First, head to Airbnb and click Become a Host. If you're new, sign up using your preferred option, email, Google, Apple, or Facebook, and complete your profile. Choose a clear, friendly profile photo and write a concise bio. This helps build trust with potential guests and can improve your booking rate. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon and select Airbnb your home. Then hit Get Started. Airbnb will walk you through each section, and you can save progress as you go. You'll begin by choosing your property type. For most people, that's an apartment, but condo, house, or guest suite may be more accurate, depending on your building and layout. Next, specify whether you're offering the entire place, a private room, or a shared room. Pick the option that matches how guests will actually use the space. Enter your location details carefully. Add the full address, confirm the map pin, and note any nearby landmarks that help guests understand where they'll be staying. Before moving on, make sure your building or homeowners association allows short-term rentals so your listing stays compliant. Add the basic details guests look for at a glance: the maximum number of guests, bedrooms, beds, and bathrooms. Accuracy here prevents misunderstandings and bad reviews later. Select all amenities you offer, like Wi-Fi, air conditioning, a full kitchen, smart TV, washer, dedicated workspace, or free parking. The more accurately you list amenities, the more likely your place is to appear in searches and meet guest expectations. Upload high-quality photos of each area: living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, balcony, or view, and the building entrance. Use natural daylight, declutter surfaces, shoot horizontally, and frame the room so guests can understand the layout. Clear, bright photos are one of the biggest drivers of bookings. Write a compelling title and description. A strong title might highlight size, location, and a top perk like modern 1BR near city center, fast Wi-Fi plus balcony. In the description, explain who the space is perfect for, what makes it special, what's nearby, and any key house rules. Keep it honest and specific. Set your pricing. Start with Airbnb's suggestion, then adjust your nightly rate, cleaning fee, and security deposit. Add weekly or monthly discounts if you welcome longer stays, and consider smart pricing to respond to demand. Check similar listings in your area to stay competitive. Choose your booking preferences, including whether instant book is on, your cancellation policy, minimum nights, and check-in and check-out times. Finally, verify your identity and add a payout method. Review every section for accuracy, then click Publish. Your apartment is now live on Airbnb. Congrats!